This is J Love Jones and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year, happy 2023. Guys, I'm back. I'm back on YouTube. I've been gone for such a long time, but this year, as it's 2023, I'm going to be using Psalms 23. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. So guys, I've been gone for a hot minute. 10 years I think I've been gone. And in those 10 years, such a lot has happened why I was off YouTube. So I want to share. Sharing is caring, right? I want to let you know what I've been up to. And also, it's my birthday next month and I need to lose some weight. So again, I want to take you along on my weight loss journey. I want to share some content with yourselves. I'll be doing fashion videos, sharing my fashion sense, what I like, what I don't like. I'll be doing some collaborations also. So if you want to, stick with me, hit the notification bell, comment, share and subscribe. So guys, until the next video, take care and I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.